Isang magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay September 27, Tuesday. At 89 days na lang, Pasko na. At mabuhay po kayong lahat at welcome po sa the stock market today. Kahapon po ay wala po tayong trading. At today po ay nag-resume ang trading sa Philippine Stock Exchange. At walang ganong balita. Pero ang ating ibabalita sa inyo ay yung nangyari sa New York Stock Exchange at titingnan po natin ang naging epekto ng pagbagsak ng Dow Jones sa ating PSE. Pero bago ang lahat ay ako po si Benji Chodoro at ginagawa ko po itong stock report araw-araw at binibigay ko rin po ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. At kung gusto niyo po ng content, inibitan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, Martes, September 27, dito lamang sa the stock market today. Okay, so tingnan po natin ang ating mga headlines at dito po ay mula sa BDO Securities, IMF and S&P cut Philippine growth estimates. Fitch Solutions and Moody's expect more rate hikes. At ganoon din naman ito yung ina-expect nila sa BSP, no? Federal Land, Japanese partners top of second tower of mixed-use project. LNG unlikely to ease high power cost in the Philippines. New mining applications expected even with new fiscal regime. I think ito yung upbeat nila. No? There's an upbeat sentiment on mining. More mining applications in this administration with fresh tax rates as it pushes for new mining fiscal regime. Kasi may mga sectors po or may mga mini-mina such as copper, nickel na kailangan po sa technology for a green transition, sabi po ng Secretary of Finance. No? And they will be giving new taxes. No? She added that the government is setting a meeting with the mining sector to discuss the new fiscal regime as industry players have expressed apprehension over the imposition of new taxes, which includes royalty of 5% and 10% export tax from the gross value of mineral oil to encourage downstream proper valuation of minerals. So that's, I think, one of our first news items. But our main news is this, no? Dow, S&P fall again, ending at lowest level of year. So sarado po ang PSE natin yesterday at ito po ang nangyari sa US, no? Wall Street stocks fell again Monday as major indices slumped to their lowest level of 2022 amid market fallout from central bank policy pivots to address inflation. Financial markets are a mess, said Owanda's Edward Moya, alluding to turbulence in the foreign exchange markets that has boosted the dollar. Wall Street is realizing we don't be seeing a significant sign that inflation is easing fast enough in the next couple of months, and that should make it tough to buy the dip just yet. So papaba pa po yung ating stocks, ano? At mamaya po, kanina po ay sinilip ko po yung PSE and hindi po magandang balita. Anyway, I hope it recovers, no? After last week's rout, U.S. indices climbed early in the session before falling. The Dow Jones Industrial Average finished down 1.1% at 29,260.81. The broad-based S&P 600 shed 1% to 3,655.04, and the tax-rich Nasdaq Composite Index declined 0.6% to 10,802.92. Monday was the lowest close of 2022 for both the Dow and S&P 500. The S&P 500 also dropped nearly 5% last week after the Federal Reserve announced another big hike in interest rates, spurring rate moves from the Bank of England and other central banks. Ang problema dito is baka magkaroon ng recession, no? May panganib. Aggressive moves by central banks had weighed down on equities, and many investors now seeing increased odds of a recession. Yan po ang downside ng increasing interest rates, recession. Or, ibig lang sabihin nito, bearish market, slow down ang economy, magle-lay off po yung kumpanya ng mga trabaho, konti po ang sales, dahil mataas po ang interest rates. Still, some analysts consider the stock market to be oversold in the short run. Given backdrop, CFRA research thinks the S&P 500 and its constituent sectors and sub-industries are ripe for a relief rally, said a note from Chief Investment Strategist Sam Stovall. The only question is whether the rally will have legs or get sold into. So yan po ang piece natin for today, though S&P fall again. And okay, so let's now take a look at the index at ano kaya nangyari dito. But first let me check if we have, okay, sabi ni Ronald Beard, no, I don't think this is a legitimate comment, no. John Warren Lim, can you make a video about dito and its future? Kailangan ko po ng data dito. I mean, I cannot just make this. Kailangan po meron po akong source kasi it will take ages before I can make this video on dito. But if I have that source, hindi naman kasi covered ang dito yung, hindi covered ang BDO-SEC ang dito eh. So, I cannot promise that. No? But what I can do is to analyze dito based on technical analysis. But to make this video about dito and its future, well, I would say if I have the tools with me and financial statement siguro, I can do it. And with the help of the analyst, ano? But without that, well, hindi naman imposible, pero it will be tough to do that. Especially kung ako lang po ang gagawa. Okay po? Thank you po, John Warren Lee. Okay, so tingnan po natin ang ating index. Alright. Ngayon ay 304 or 305 na, no? Tingnan natin. Naku, anong nangyari dito? Ang index natin ay bumagsak 239.47 points or 3.83% down. Nasa 6,020.07, ano? Or nasa 6,000 level na po. Ito po yung biggest drop since March 14, 2022 nung bumaba po yung market by 4.15%. So March 14 po, no? This year. At approaching oversold level, actually oversold na po ang market, ano? 24.30. Kahapon or last Friday, nasa 32 pa, no? Ngayon ay oversold na po. Sa market activity, naku, ang daming nag-decline. 189 companies declined, 37 ang hindi nagbago, 28 ang umabante. So, yung most active stocks, unahin po natin si dito, SMC, tapos tingnan natin si SM, Ali, SMPH, at si Globe. Yan lang po yung positive stock na nasa index, ano, si Globe. At meron po yung SRO. Okay, so unahin po natin si dito. Dito, naku, talagang downhill si dito, no? Downhill po siya. And it has been downhill since April 2021, no? So, umakyat, bumaba, at babang-baba na po siya. And it is already at oversold levels, no? Kasi noong Friday, oversold na po. Ngayon ay nag-oversold pa. So, nasa 5 or 3. Nasa 3 pesos po ang dito. Take note ha, nag-high po yan, 52-week high ng 7 pesos. So, more than 50% po ang binaba po ni dito. At tingnan natin yung SNR, support and resistance. Okay, support is here at 295. So, actually support level na po ito. And resistance, yung higher resistance na plot ni Investigrams is 3.79. So, almost, well, less than 1 peso, no? Yung difference between support and resistance. At bearish po siya. So, if you plan to buy the stock, stay away from it for a while. Or, kung gusto nyo, ay meron po kayong hawak na stock at short-term investor po kayo, mag-cut loss po kayo dito. Or if you are a long-term investor, you can hold on to it, no? But I'm not keen on dito because I don't have the stock, and more of an index stock investor po ako, no? Long-term investor po ako. So I am more inclined to buy index stocks. Okay, so that's dito. Tingnan naman natin si SMC. Well, I have nothing against dito, ha. It's just my preference that I choose index stocks. So si SMC naman, tagalin muna natin to. Okay. So bearish po siya, no? It's not actually moving sideways, but it's moving downwards, no? Bearish po si SMC at meron po siyang volume ngayon. However, the bearishness manifests kasi bearish po siya since November 2021, no? San Miguel Corporation. At if we will draw, siguro mag-parallel channel tayo dito, no? So more or less, yan po yung ating parallel channel na nakikita for SMC, no? And the higher channel is our resistance, nasa 98 or almost 99, no? 99 to 100. Yung lower channel, yung support natin, nasa 93.30. Okay, may dividendo siya. Okay, yung RSI nasa almost midpoint lang, no? Nasa 45, pero generally bearish po yung stock. Tapos tignan naman natin si Ali. Now, Ali is a good stock, ano? And if you wanted a long-term investment, dito tayo sa Ali. Ooh, talagang bumababa si Ali, oh. At bearish po siya. So, dito nagsa-sideways lang po siya, pero dito tumuloy na po yung bearishness niya, no? Mag-draw nga tayo ng actually ito po yung resistance area niya, or support area rather, no? Yan po. Yan po yung support area niya. Nandito po siya between 22 and 23. Yan ang pinaka-support level po ni Ali. Yung pinaka-resistance, ito po, nasa 29 to 30. 29 to 30 po ang pinaka-resistance ni Ali. Pero right now, it's bearish. And if you wanted to make an investment in Ali and your view is long-term, your horizon is long-term, then now is the time to buy, no? Pero antayin nyo munang umakyat yung stock. Tsumempong po muna kayo. Oversold na po yung stock. Nasa 30.13 or a touch of oversold, no? Kasi sa 30 po, oversold level na po yan. Okay, next we have SM. Na-skip ko pala si SM natin. Okay, naku talagang SM. Nasa 32 yung RSI niya at meron siyang gap. Meron siyang gap dito. Okay, this is the gap. Yan. Gawin natin black. Yan, okay. So that is the gap down today, no? Na nangyari kay SM. And the stocks is taking a beating, no? Because of the high interest rates and inflation, no? Aggressive US Fed, and the BSP also raised the rates. So ito po ay reaction doon sa Fed, no? But eventually the market will realize that these stocks are selling at a discount or at a bargain, no? Bargain hunting po ang tawag dyan. But anyway, ang support level ni SM, nandito po siya. Nasa 770. Actually, within support level pa po ito. No? And the resistance here. Yan. Nasa 883. And eventually, SM is a very good company kasi. So, eventually, aakyat din yan. No? Mag-aantay lang po kayo. So, if you have a 3 to 5 year horizon on your investment, then you go for index stocks like SM. And then next, we have Glow. Si Glow, may SRO. Yan, moving sideways lang. No? Actually, kanina, bumaba po siya as low as 2032 pero umakyat ulit sa 2178. So just moving sideways, and the lower support ay nandito po, and the higher support is here. So lower support is 1990 and the higher support is at 2050. Yan. So yan po yung pinaka-support level niya. Ngayon, on the resistance side, nandito po, nasa 2,300 level or area. Support and resistance, di po yan exact points. Area po yan. So, RSI is above the midpoint. So, makikita po natin na meron siyang upward trend, no? Upward trend, or meron siyang bullish, signs of bullish trend, although sideways po ang nakikita sa ating indicators. Okay, and then we have, did we finish SMPH? Tapos na yata tayo, di ba? SMPH. Yeah, I think, ay hindi pa. SM Prime Holdings, SM kanina eh. We finished, yeah, okay, SMPH. Halos pareho lang, no? Halos pareho lang ng SM, no? Pero, one thing about SMPH kasi is that it follows a regular pattern. Eh. Pero ngayon, yung dating support niya, yan, below support level. Oh. At yung next support na breach din niya eh. Dito. Pero yung next lower, ito. Yan, support level na po yan. So, yan po, no? Kasi na-breach niya po yung tatlong support levels. Nasa 32.48 na. And the next lower, let's do a 1 week chart. Ang pinaka-next po niya, nandito na eh. Kung patuloy pa siyang bumaba, no? Pero I don't think bababa pa yan ng sobra-sobra, no? Anyway, yan po si SM. Nasa support level na po ito. But if this support level does not hold, yung lower support level of 2790 would be the next support level, at dyan, magandang presyo na po yan. So, tingnan natin ang fundamentals ni SM. Anong target price niya? SMPH, SM Prime Holdings, neutral si BDO Securities, 40 pesos eh. Pero ang SM Investments, 1,090 yung kanyang target price, or at of 35% upside. Samantalang si SMPH, 17.5%, pero neutral po yung kanyang recommendation. Okay, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-27 ng Setyembre. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik at hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless and bye for now.